Hello friends, today I'm going to try full white nail art which is trending right now. That looks very simple but actually gives pure elegance luxury vibes. I never created pure white nail art before, so this is going to be my first time when I'm creating this. And I'm so excited to see how it comes. Let's start the process with nail extensions. As always, I am doing hard gel extensions with nail foams. I prefer to extend my nails with hard gel more than any other materials like polygel and acrylics. Acrylic is like bad nightmare for me. They are heavy, also very hard to file, so after I tried them many times, I stick to hard gel extensions. These leave sticky layers behind, but we can remove that with acetone and shape them in few minutes. Easy peasy, right? Also, these are beginner friendly materials like the polygel is the easiest material to handle. That is not that much runny so beginners can learn easily. Let's come to the process. Here I am applying a very thin layer first and took good amount of gel without curing the first layer. So the second layer can automatically run on the first layer. Make sure the gel reach both the corners well, no gap left behind and cure it for 60 to 70 seconds. Here are the results. Let's complete this step first and then move to the next one. Nail extensions are done and now let's remove the sides a little bit so the filing can be quick and easy. This tool is very good at this job. I love this step very much. If you do this step, make sure you don't cut them in extra. Shape is now more visible. Let's file these to enhance and get perfect stilettos. Nothing left from the sides in this tab because extras we just cut. I am just smoothen up the sides and file them little bit from the upper side. Shaping and filing is done and I washed my hands. It's time to do nail art. I'm having the gloves on for UV protection. Applying matte top coat to cover all the uneven curves on the surface. So the inspo has silver shimmery base and I don't have that particular thing. Honestly, I use cat eye layer if I have to get silver shimmer layer and it goes very well. This is the inspo which I am following and I'll create this design in my style. I hope you love my creations. These are looking so good and giving luxury elegance vibes. Now I'm gonna do an experiment. I don't know if this will be successful or not, but I really want to try this. So I have this white sugar glitter powder and I thought this will look better with this nail art. I don't have any glitters because I don't create glittery nails that much. Let's try this and see. Before that, I apply top coat on all the nails so the glitter can't stick to these gel layers. I think it's not going well. I can't see this clearly. I don't know where the glitter gone. It's like a fail. I tried to remove this but unfortunately I was worried about the main design which I have created behind this. So I'm leaving this as it is. Next time I won't use these glitters in this kind of nail art. Let's stick some pearls to make it luxurious. I have different sizes and I think I should not use any other charms at this time. So let's do this. This is the final look, the Elegance Luxury Nails. Ignore the thumb, but overall it's a successful set. I hope you loved it too. See you again. Bye.